Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, in the last introduction, we had laid our objectives and our game plan for this course. In this introduction, we will start to build our Quran Engineer Makhraj Table. By defining what Makhraj is, introducing new vocabulary, introducing the A sound, and laying out our Makhraj Table. Now, this engineered Makhraj Table is probably one of the most important tables that you need to understand and master. Why? Because many Tajweed rules after this will be derived from this Makhraj Table, inshallah. Knowledge of Makhraj is one of the most important critical aspects to achieving correct recitation. What is Makhraj? If you have been on Umrah or Hajj or visited any Arabic-speaking city, you may find this sign when you exit the building. So Makhraj means the place of exit. And Makhraj huruf or Makhraj of a letter means the place of exit of the sound of the letter. So we need to know precisely where the points of articulations of the sounds are. Once we are familiar with the correct articulation points of Makhraj, then it becomes easy to produce the correct sound without even knowing the Arabic letters, inshallah. So all we need to know at this stage is the Makhraj or exit, the points of articulation of the sound, and what sound to produce from those points. Before we go into building the Makhraj table, let me give you an overview of the terminologies that you will come across later so you know how they are related and what to expect. Okay? There are three main Makhraj that we are going to look at: the lips, the tongue, and the throat. And since Makhraj means place of exit, what is at an exit? Exit usually have doors with frames, and doors are typically exits of houses. A few houses can make a village, so lips, tongue, and throat are labeled here as villages. Your lips will have 2 houses. Your tongue will have 7 houses, which is subdivided into 2 villages, which we will call the sweet village and the lemonade village. The sweet village will have 4 houses, and the lemonade village will have 3 houses. And finally, your throat village will have 3 apartments sitting one on top of each other. By the way, you don't need to remember all these details at this stage, as this is just an introduction of overall picture of the vocabulary that you will come across later, which you can look forward to, inshallah, in the coming lessons. In Arabic writing, we have these diacritical signs on the Arabic letters. For simplicity, we are going to call them the up, down, and front signs. These signs give vowel sounds to letters. The up sign gives an A sound, the down gives an E sound, and front gives an U sound. So we have the 3 basic A, E, U sounds. Now, if this Arabic letter is equivalent to the English letter B, then this would be recited as Ba, Bi, Bu. And if we were to replace it with another letter in here, then the recited sound would be Fa, Fi, Fu. In the upcoming Makhraj lessons, we will be focused only on producing the A sounds. We will touch on the E and the U sounds only after we have mastered the A sound. inshallah. Now a little note, whenever we say the R sound, our jaw must be down and our mouth must be opened. When we say ba, ba or fa, fa, the jaw is down and the mouth is opened. This is the distinct characteristic or trademark of the R sound. Now let us explore the structure of our Quran Engineer Makhraj Table. Our Makhraj Table has 4 villages. Your lip village with 2 houses has 4 sound boxes. The third village with 3 apartments has 6 sound boxes. Your sweet village with 4 houses has 12 sound boxes. And lastly, your lemonade village with 3 houses has 6 sound boxes. What we will do in the upcoming lessons is to fill up these sound boxes with the R sound cards of each house, of each village, one village at a time, inshallah, until you become an expert on Makhraj, inshallah. So in the next lesson, we will look into filling up the sound boxes of the lip village, inshallah. Until then, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.